Hey there, electricity enthusiasts! Did you know that the first AC generator was invented by Nikola Tesla and George Westinghouse in the late 1800s? And that the first DC generator was invented by Michael Faraday in the early 1800s? Today, we're going to talk about the difference between AC and DC generators, and why they're both essential to our modern world. But don't worry, we won't give you a shock. Let's start with AC generators. AC stands for alternating current, and these generators produce electrical energy that periodically changes direction. The most common type of AC generator is the synchronous generator, which consists of a rotor and a stator. The rotor rotates at a constant speed, and the stator contains a set of coils that are stationary. As the rotor rotates, it generates a magnetic field that induces a current in the stator coils, producing AC power. AC generators are used in a wide range of applications, including power plants, automobiles, and portable devices. One of the main advantages of AC generators is that they can be easily transformed into different voltages using transformers. This is because AC voltage can be easily changed by varying the number of turns in the transformer's coils. This makes AC generators ideal for long-distance power transmission, as high-voltage AC power can be transmitted over long distances with minimal power loss. Now let's talk about DC generators. DC stands for direct current, that flows in only one direction. The most common type of DC generator is the commutator generator, which also consists of a rotor and a stator. However, in this case, the rotor's magnetic field is connected to a commutator, which is a device that ensures the current flows in only one direction. DC generators are often used in applications that require a constant voltage, such as battery charging or welding. One disadvantage of DC generators is that they are less efficient than AC generators. This is because the commutator causes some power loss due to friction and wear and tear. DC generators also require more maintenance due to the commutator's wear and tear, which can result in higher operating costs. But wait, there's more. Did you know that AC and DC generators can be used together? In fact, many modern power plants use both AC and DC generators to produce electricity. AC generators are used to generate power from various sources, including fossil fuels, nuclear energy, and renewable sources such as wind and hydroelectric power. The AC power is then transformed into high-voltage DC power for transmission over long distances, and then transformed back into AC power for use in homes and businesses. Now, if you're anything like me, you might be wondering, but what about AC/DC, the greatest rock band of all time? Well, unfortunately, we can't talk about AC/DC generators without talking about AC/DC the band. Did you know that the band's name was inspired by the label on a sewing machine owned by one of the band members' sisters? And did you know that the band's song, Thunderstruck, was used in a commercial for Dodge Ram trucks? But let's get back to generators, shall we? In conclusion, AC and DC generators are both essential to our modern world. AC generators are ideal for power transmission, while DC generators are better suited for applications that require a constant voltage. And while they have their respective advantages and disadvantages, they can also be used together to create a more efficient and reliable power system. So the next time you turn on a light or charge your phone, remember the amazing machines that make it all possible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay electric.